Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I would love to have you guys subscribe so you won't miss out on any new videos. So today I'm really excited because I'm going to be sharing with you guys my current favorite fragrance mist / fragrances in general. I feel like since I have a collection, I definitely am more into certain fragrances at certain times, and I thought it would just be fun, kind of like my hygiene favorites, to share with you guys my favorite fragrance mists that I have been loving. So yeah, before that, don't forget to follow me on TikTok. I will have my username down below. And why don't we just go ahead and get started. So the first fragrance mist that I have to share with you guys is from Bath & Body Works, and this is Coconut. This is just the plain regular coconut by Bath & Body Works, and I have been loving this scent. When I first saw this line, you guys know I was not into it, and I was like, what the heck, like they are overdoing it with the coconut. But this line has came to be like one of my favoriteest collections from Bath & Body Works. I have almost all of them except for sun-washed citrus, but the coconut one just smells so absolutely amazing. The lasting power is so good. It's what I have on right now, and I sprayed it in the morning. You guys, I can still smell it on me, and it's like 4 p.m. It smells so good. So the fragrance notes are coconut milk, sea salt, musk, and fresh vanilla. To me, this smells more like a coconut oil, like kind of like the one you cook with. It just smells like a hair oil, kind of like the OGX coconut hair oil. That's exactly what it smells like. It is just so sweet, but so intricate. Like, there's something about it that I just love, because it's not just like a straight up pure coconut scent, because I don't like those kinds of coconut scents. This one, I think because it has vanilla in there, there's something that I just really enjoy about this fragrance. Now, I didn't get the matching lotion in this, but I have a ton of like coconut body lotions that I can pair this with. So here's one that I used today. This is the Dove Nourishing Secrets Restoring Ritual Body Lotion. This is in the coconut one, so I matched these together and they pair beautifully. I love this fragrance. I highly recommend it if you like a coconut scent. The next fragrance mist I have to share with you guys is from Victoria's Secret, and this is one that I've been talking about a lot, but I just cannot get over this one. Like, it is so amazing. This is Bare Vanilla. Now, this is the regular Bare Vanilla, not the La Creme, not the Radiant. This is the regular one, and I adore this fragrance. Never did I ever think that I would be so into warm fragrances, but I have just grown to be obsessed with like warm fragrances. I feel like I'm wearing more and more warm fragrances than any other scent. So the scent notes are whipped vanilla and soft cashmere. I think the cashmere just kind of adds something to this fragrance. Not necessarily like a musky scent, but it's just like there's something about it. It smells very soft. Like, that's exactly what I get. And the whipped vanilla, it smells like vanilla buttercream. This is a kind of vanilla that I can see myself wearing at any age, because I don't think this is like a childlike vanilla. This is definitely a vanilla that I feel like I would still wear when I'm like 30, 40, 50. I feel like it's such a good mature scent, but not too mature. So yeah, this is the next one, and this stuff lasts a pretty decent amount of time as well, so I love this one. The next scent I have to share with you guys is from Bath & Body Works, and this is Perfect Peony. First off, the packaging is absolutely adorable. I love this like packaging. I just think it looks so cute. This is, I think, yeah, this is part of their signature collection. I don't know why it took me so long to pick this up, because it is so amazing. I've been wearing this one so much. Like, I've already gone through a good amount of it. There are no scent notes, but it just smells like a fresh floral scent. This is like an everyday scent. Like, I can see myself wearing this for any occasion. It's so fresh. I feel like there has to be some sort of like either an aquatic note or some sort of like linen note. There's a little bit of linen in here, but it's not super strong on the floral, which I was surprised, because I kind of blind bought this, and when I first got this I thought it was gonna smell like straight up like floral notes. But that is not exactly how this smells. This smells very fresh and very floral, perfect for the spring and summer. This is an awesome scent. I highly recommend this one. The next fragrance I have to share with you guys is one that I was super excited to get, and when I finally got it, it did not disappoint. This is Magnolia Charm. Now, first off, the packaging again, Bath & Body Works just killed it. Like, what can I say? They really do just like make their packaging look so cute. The fragrance notes are dewy pear blossom, blooming magnolia, and fresh cedar. People say that this scent definitely smells a little perfumey. To me, I can get that perfumey scent, but I can mainly smell like the pear blossom. Like, it's a little floral, but it's not like a rose floral. You know, like blossoms, like Japanese cherry blossom doesn't smell super, super florally. Like, because this is a blossom, I think it just changes it. It smells so fresh and so airy. This one, I would say the lasting power isn't like amazing. I really do need to get the matching lotion because I feel like that would seriously help. And I've heard people say that the matching lotion paired with it is even better. So I really do need to pick that up. I know Bath & Body Works is having a $6.50 sale, but I'm trying not to buy so many things. So yeah, but this scent is amazing. I think it's great for a going out night or like a cute little date night or a brunch day. It's going to be perfect for that occasion, and I love her. Now the next scent that I have is from Victoria's Secret, and this is Velvet Petals. Now I know I just recently hauled this one, but I can say that I have been wearing it non-stop. Like, literally, this is always the one I want to wear. The scent notes are Lush Blooms and Almond Glaze. This just smells like a warm floral scent. Like, it's exactly what it says, like velvet petals. Like, I smell like the petals of a flower in here. It smells so stunning. Those of you guys who recommended this to me, I'm so glad you did, because I can't imagine my life without it. It is so, so good. The lasting power is decent. I would say like 3 or 4 hours for a Victoria's Secret fragrance. Not bad. Overall, I just love this fragrance. This is better than the La Creme one. Like, honestly, why did I not pick this one up first? Because it is such a girly, feminine scent. This is another one I feel like anyone at any age can wear. It is not childlike or too mature. I feel like it's a perfect in-between, and this is a scent that I think like you can wear pretty much for like any occasion. Like, I would wear this on a fancy night, and I would wear this on a chill day. So yeah. The next one that I have is from Bath & Body Works, and it's again from their like this collection. I don't know what it was called, but this is Raspberry Tangerine, and I love this fragrance. The fragrance notes are wild raspberry, fresh tangerine, and lemon zest, and I love the lemon zest note in here. Like, I am not the biggest fan of citrus scents, like orangey citrus scents, but when there's lemon included, I'm all over that. Like, I love lemony scents, and this just smells absolutely fresh. This is definitely only like a daytime fragrance in my opinion, and this is more so like a casual fragrance to me. I mean, I will still wear this on any occasion, but that's just kind of what I envision myself. This is a great like workday fragrance. I love this one. She smells very tart. That's one thing to note, because it does have raspberry and it does have citrus in there, but it's not super, super tart to the point where like it makes you feel a little nauseous. It's a great amount of raspberry and lemon and orange, because I feel like they just balance each other out, and it just creates super fresh scent. So I love this one, and this one lasts a pretty good amount of time. I want to get like the matching stuff to it, because I feel like it would be really good. The packaging, I know some people say it looks like a juice box. It kind of does. I'm not mad at it. I think it kind of looks cute, but I think they could have done a little bit better. The next scent that I have is by Bath & Body Works as well, and this is Night Blooming Jasmine. I really did not have high expectations when I first got this scent. I believe I just got it because it like I needed the free shipping and I wanted to just throw something in there, but this stuff is the most amazing scent ever. Perfect for nighttime, like before bed. It gives me an aromatherapy feel to it, and I think because when I think of jasmine, like the flower or whatever, I definitely think of like aromatherapy and calming and soothing. And there's just something about it that just feels so relaxing. I can see myself wearing this on like a cozy, you know, chill day at home, like a Netflix and chill kind of moment, before bed moment. The fragrance notes are jasmine flower, white musk, and apple blossom. I love the musk in here. I feel like that's what like gives it a different note to it. I'm not the best at describing scents, you guys. I'm just going to put that out there. But I love this scent. I love using this with like my stress relief, or sometimes I have this jasmine and marula oil body butter from Tree Hut, and I love pairing it with that. It just makes me feel extremely relaxed, so I love this fragrance. And the next one that I have is one that is still kind of new, and this is Sunshine Mimosa. First off, the packaging is to die for. I think this packaging is just, it embodies summer. Tell me this does not look like summer in a bottle. And I love this fragrance. I have it in the lotion. This one I did get in a matching lotion, and I love it. Like, there's something about it where it has a fizzy note to it, but it's not too overpowering on the fizziness. Like, I don't love champagne toast as much anymore. I think I'm kind of getting sick of it because it's too strong on the bubbly note. But this one, it has bright bubbly champagne and fresh citrus. Even though it has the champagne in here, it's not super strong of it, and the citrus is not super overpowering either. It is a perfect balance of citrus and champagne where they just like weigh each other out super well. Like, it's not super sour and it's not super like bubbly either. This is just perfect. Like, if I'm going to get bottomless mimosas, which I don't drink, so if I'm going with my friends who are going to get bottomless mimosas, I'm going to wear this. This is going to be perfect. I actually do have a brunch that's coming up soon with my friends, and I have to wear this. There's just something about it. It just smells like summer. If you close your eyes and think about summer, this is the fragrance that I would think would smell like it, and it is just the best one. I don't know. There's something about this fragrance I'm just really into, and normally I haven't been super obsessed with like Bath and Body Works new fragrances, but this one I was thoroughly surprised. I knew I would like it, but I didn't know I would love it like I do. So yeah, this is one of my staples. So yeah. Now the last fragrance I have to share with you guys is a perfume, or it says Eau de Toilette. This is my InStyle fragrance, and this one is inspired by Marc Jacobs Daisy. I love Marc Jacobs Daisy. That is one of my favorite perfumes ever. I always say this, but my sister used to have it, and I would always spray it when I went to her house because it just smells so good. It is the perfect floral scent. I think even if you don't love florals, you would still like Marc Jacobs Daisy because it's not super strong. Now, this fragrance is so good, and it literally is the same as Daisy. I don't know how they do that. Like, how do you just like do that to a fragrance? Like, how do you just like mimic it so well? And it's only $8, so you really can't beat it, you guys. $8 for a fragrance? Come on now. These last a good amount of time, 7 hours I would say. I can still smell it. They last on my clothes the most compared to my skin. I mean, that's any fragrance though. I feel like they just cling better to clothes. And it's just so good. It smells so rich. If I close my eyes and smell this, you would not be able to tell me that this is a, what do you call it? Like a $8 perfume. I would actually think it's a high-end fragrance. So I highly recommend this. If you guys want any sort of like inspired perfume, I have another one that I will share with you guys if you guys are new to my channel and you haven't seen. I have this one, which is inspired by Light Blue by Dolce & Gabbana, and I haven't smelled Light Blue by Dolce & Gabbana, but it does smell fancy. And it does kind of remind me of Dolce & Gabbana perfumes. Like, it has that fresh aquatic scent that Dolce & Gabbana has. I've smelled other ones from them, but I haven't smelled the light blue version. And this one smells amazing. Now, this one says it is a cologne, spray cologne. It doesn't say Eau de Toilette. This one lasts a really, really long time, you guys. This one lasts probably like 8 to 9 hours, especially on my clothes. I can still smell it on me at the end of the night. And they were both $8. I got them at Walgreens, and yeah, so I highly recommend these if you guys want a nice affordable dupe for a nice perfume. Check them out. I have no shame in my game. I don't know why some people get offended when you get like dupes to perfumes and stuff like that. Like, I'm saving money where I can, and they smell bomb, so I love them and I highly recommend. Alrighty, you guys, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video and seeing all of my current favorite fragrances. Let me know what scents you guys have been obsessed with and what scent you're wearing today. I would love to know and get more feedback from you guys and figure out which new scents I need to pick up for myself. But yeah, I love you guys so, so much. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!